Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to take a look at a Partner P55 chainsaw. It was made in 1977. It's 55 cc's. Operating RPMs is 8,500. This might be more for the collectors or just somebody wanting to cut some firewood. It does have a bent handlebar there. See that? It's taking a hit with a limb. Chain brake, hand guard's missing. The brake's in there, the band's in there, but the hand guard's missing. And it's got a 16-inch barn chain on it. If you run these partners, you know the parts are no longer available for them other than what you can find on eBay. This would be a great part saw, or if you got a good handlebar, you can put a handlebar on that, and this would make a nice firewood saw. Or if you're into collecting these great saws, these are made in Sweden. We'll go out here and make a few cuts with it now.